I have been studying and helping people from the point of view of how to make flow more available in the companies and their studies. And I haven't done much myself, but people have taken the flow concept and applied it interesting ways in many places. For instance, one of my favorites is this big company in Sweden called Green Cargo, which is a international, a big transportation company, which is state-owned, and they use it to both in the private sector and the public sector, and it's owned by the government. And for 125 years, it has been losing money every year, for 125. Then one young guy who left McKinsey and worked with me briefly and used my theories, he went to be the human relation head of Green Cargo, this company. And he instituted a kind of a flow management system, which is credited in print by the CEO of the company of having turned the company around so that for the first time after 125 years they're making money, and it's because it lifted the morale of the people and made them much more productive and creative and so forth. So that's the other current example, for instance, is this company in pharmaceutical in Spain, BioIberica, which has given now fellowships to our students to go and study how they implement flow. They have something that's called the BioFlow program, which is involved both in the selection, the retraining, and the promotion of people. And in all of these cases, they use principles from flow to get the worker to enjoy what they're doing and to therefore to be more productive and so forth. So that the first student of ours who's going to see how this works is Matt Jarman, who had he was one of 5 students who provided proposals to BioIberica, and they selected his. Partly, he also knows Spanish, which is a big advantage, but it was, he had a good, nice proposal, and that, so that's the first of hopefully many students who will be going there and looking at different aspects. It's a big global company. They have now plants in China and India, 2 in Europe, 1 in the States. I think those 5, but it's a large, interesting company. And there are many others who take bits and pieces of these 2 have really committed themselves to do it in a big way. Others are more kind of using it as one of the things they teach their executives as they train their executives. And